I want to talk to you today about skills robots cannot replace, at least not yet. With all these technological advances from smartphones to the growth of internet to AI to robotics, they all seem to point towards one direction, and that is the total automation of our lives, which includes, of course, the way we live and work and think and love. And so one thing that I hear over and over again, specifically from students, is about how anxious they are about their ability to compete in the global economy. And so the question they're asking today is this: what do I need to learn today? What skills do I need to learn to focus on to make sure not only that I'll get a job in the future, but that I will also be successful at it? And so the first skill that I want to share is communication. That's right. On average, we spend about 10 to 12 hours, at least here in the United States, on consuming social media on average. Now, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of hours. And so how do we make sure we take people from what they're doing to paying attention to us, to our message? I believe it's through storytelling, through a compelling story. Now, from a competitive advantage point of view, I think that's great news. Why? Because sadly, most people, they still use the boring PowerPoint. That's right. You probably have sat in many courses and many meetings when you were bored to death and probably thinking, how do I get out of this? Right? People going point after point, bullet after bullet, or worse, having an entire slide full of words. It doesn't work. It never has, it never will. What really works is a compelling story. And so effective communicators, they use both. They use science and they use the story. Rhetoric and the story. Because we want that emotional connection. We want to awaken emotions in people so they can take action. They can take an initiative towards something that we want. And so effective communicators, they use both. And I believe having a compelling story and a powerful delivery that's inspirational and empowering, that is a skill robots cannot automate. Not yet.